words and your goodwill towards me. And Your Excellencies, every great personality seated, every protocol duly observed. My name is John Douglas, the Economy Berlusconi, CEO Berlusconi Record, the only Susu Bishop worldwide. The African Black Capuchin, the Oromota one of the kingdom. Even again, one of the kingdom. At least if you don't like my face, clap for my title. Amen. A lot of people think that the Niger Delta area is blessed because we have oil. Or in terms of media, we own the media houses. Some people think that that is our blessings. Our blessing is not in those things. Some people even think that, oh, every bank in Nigeria is owned by Niger Delta. But that is not our blessing. Our blessing is in things that you never believe or thought of. God made it so. Our blessing is with our women. That's why you see that for every great Nigerian on earth, either a politician or a businessman, you must find a Niger Delta woman in his house. God give us that grace. And I can bring it to you. When IPP saw this vision, he went to Asaba to collect one. And from that day, the capital of Delta State was relocated to Asaba, very close to the beach. Why? We are blessed like that. T.Y. Juma saw this vision, and he went to Benin to collect. And today, he's a very wealthy man. My own chairman, Chief Dr. Mark Adenuga, also saw this vision, and he went to Shekiri Land to collect one copy. Your own president also saw this vision coming and went to Shekiri to collect one. He is a successful politician. Now, I am not saying that is why Atiku has not won. That's not what I'm saying. I've always said that everybody who wants to be successful should relocate to our place. Happy New Year, everybody. Round of applause for the Niger Delta area. Ladies and gentlemen, I was raised by a mother who was serving idol. And my mother will give me juju food. We want the children, we know they get. And hunger was becoming the order of the day. So what we did as children was to gang up against the juju. So when they give the juju biscuit, we go shop and before my mama go come. For about 1 week, my mama don't see any vision. You don't hear from any spirit. Because hunger has visited his own idol. Hello. The day he went to shrine, they told him, you have another juju in your hands. Apart from the one that we know. My mama said, no, the other children will get. He said, ask them where they come from. And by the time he frustrated those idols, the idol was singing for my mother. Hungry day, austerity, baby. Now what? And then my mother did not have a choice but to change to Christianity. Ladies and gentlemen, thank God for women, thank God for mother. My mother can talk anything in her mind. If you like the death, if you don't like the liver. My mom told me that I should build a house for her. I built a house and put intercom inside the house so that she can call herself. My mama went to church for the first time. Don't give testimony. He said, thank God, my pikin don't install my intercourse. Yeah? That pastor said, which of your pikin? He said, Kodos. Kodos install your intercourse. He said, yes. Let me say, Kodos can bad dog. Now my master said, how you go call my pikin will do good for me? He said, you're a bad person. As you get here, the whole pikin don't install your intercourse before. Ladies and gentlemen, you may never know the power of children until you begin to have them. My first daughter, Zoe, came to me and asked me a question that I could not answer. Daddy, how did that come to earth? I said, that is not your problem. What is important is that you have come. That is what is important. He said, no, I want to know how I came to earth. I said, there are some things you can never know. Once you have come, you have come. That is the thing that is important. The small girl insisted that she want to know how she came to earth. I had no choice but to tell her. I said, Adam and Eve gave birth to children. Their own children gave birth to another children. Those children gave birth to me and your mother. I will not give birth to you. That's when they said, Daddy, you are a liar. I said, why? He said, because Mommy has told me. I said, what did Mommy tell you? He said, Mommy said we came from Monkey. I said, your mama said we come from Monkey. If your mama said we come from Monkey, now your mama people come from Monkey because where we come from now, under Monkey. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for this beautiful new year. This is the first year I see that rain fall for January 1st. I have no doubt in my heart we will succeed, sir. Amen. Because rain don't wash out the sins away. Because nobody will understand this period and matter that they did. The kind of way for today, I have no doubt in my heart. Me and you go there for a very long time, sir. Because I let us see the work in the shop. Nowadays, this children that the children will be their mate. When will they grow up? My mama, they saw Christmas uniform for us when it will last us for 4 years. 4 years, they go fold down. They go fold down every year, but they lose for one fold. As at the time we were growing up, rice was a necessity and a luxury. We only eat rice on Christmas Day and Sunday. May God help you say, my papa comes from work. Once you eat rice on Tuesday, the slap they will give to you, you will know that there is difference between 6 and half a dozen. But nowadays, children just they enjoy. And we didn't do well for this Christmas. Jesus, they celebrated birthday. I don't see a picture anyway. All I saw was Santa Claus. As I go through the Bible, I don't see snow. I see horse. I see all those things. But Santa Claus, I don't see. I thought they say, who would they do birthday when they're not going to put a picture? Because as I know, if Excellency they do birthday now, everybody go carry a picture, put for chest. 2 of us. But you see, Jesus is peaceful. If they allow us to do what we do now, at the right time, we will do what we do now. Oh, clap for God. All right. Well, no matter who you are in life, you must not forget that one day, no matter what they refer to you, you will finish your work. Even in government, there are some people now that are referred to one-time government. When you go to jail, they will refer to you as one-time government. For instance, now, Amechi can be referred to as a former governor. Even my excellency that is seated now, he cannot be referred to as a former. He will be referred to as one-time governor. And the one he passed, they will call it the immediate past. Then your guy that is seated is called the seated. Or not they call the seated. People like Tinubu.